Everyone, so today is Monday, the day after Easter, and we're just having a low-key day today. Actually, I was like, I don't even know if I'm gonna vlog. We're not doing anything exciting. And I don't know, do you guys like normal like at-home vlogs, or do you like vlogs like when we're going out and doing something? I don't know, let me know in the comments what you enjoy watching. I'm always wondering if vlogging our at-home normal home day is entertaining or not, because I don't know, sometimes I feel like we're a little boring. But anyways, like I said, we're not really doing anything fun, but there is a bird stuck in our bathroom window. It's like between two pieces of glass, and I'll just show you. A birdie, is it stuck in our window?
Yeah.
Oh man, poor guy. So we have a bird stuck in our window. As you can see, he's right there. This here is opened, so like there's a screen on the other side, and it's fallen down about that much. And so the bird must have hit the window and fell in, I think. So, yeah, he's stuck in our window.
I want to see his friends.
You think he's sad and wants to see his friends?
Yeah. Well, don't be scared, buddy.
Poor guy. Hopefully we can get him out, right?
Yeah. Can we ask us to help him?
Hmm?
I'm going to be a little bit nervous.
Okay, I think we're gonna let Daddy do it.
Yeah. I just go watch Daddy.
Okay, why don't we leave him alone so he doesn't get scared, okay? And we had to figure out how to get it out without letting it come in. So I was like, that's kind of interesting and fun, and I don't really know how that's gonna work out. And also, excuse my parents today, because just have an excuse this leftover dinner. So I just have this walk-in Grace crew sweatshirt, which I love, and some sweatpants, but we're not going anywhere today, and when we don't go anywhere today, I usually don't get ready. Hashtag stay-at-home mom life, but I'm gonna make something to eat. That's what I'm having for breakfast, and I think Ted is at home working. So here's Ted. Gonna say hi. He's not, the room is so messy, but he's,
I literally just woke up.
I know. He doesn't feel very well either. We're all kind of just sick.
So.
But you're working. I like your desk. Let's look at this desk setup. He's using a toy bin. He's using a toy bin for his desk.
Do what you gotta do.
It's very nice, Ted. It's very nice. Your turn. Your turn. You lost all yours.
No, you don't.
Thank you.
We are struggling now.
Oh, I lost one. We're struggling. All right. 1 point.
We just have to look not happy because he's not pressed fight even because it's raining. Well, I feel so frustrated.
Oh, he's feeling mad.
Mad. The sun is shining.
The sky is
White, and I'm feeling white.
I'm gonna get in the tub. Why do you do this? Okay, it's okay, we'll do it. So what's your plan of action?
Do you know what's going on?
Yeah, they do.
There's a bird in the window. I'm gonna just try to open the top part and then push down a little bit, and then hopefully it'll just fly out and not towards me.
I gotta be careful, can I say it? Okay, boy, be fine. Don't be scared.
Oh, seriously?
What? Oh, he looks like he's smushed.
It kinda is.
I don't see the boy. Can't see.
Luke has an idea.
What you got, bud? Spray him with that stuff? Spray him with this? And then make him fly?
What, Lucky?
Go! I'm giving you room! Are you trapped in between there? I feel like your feet are up on the
His
top.
head looks like it's...
No, his feet are up on the top, so he should be able to fly away. I don't know if he's just staying there, like nervous.
I was wondering if we could just give him space, maybe he'll do it himself.
Come on, buddy.
Alright, little birdie, we'll leave you alone. I think if we just give him some space, he'll just go on his own. I think we're scaring him.
So on top of trying to get the bird out, our door handle from the inside had broke before, or had just come out, and so we just haven't been shutting it all the way. And then Kinley went to the bathroom and came out and shut the door all the way. And so now I can't open it from the outside, it's completely stuck. And I pulled the door knob from the outside, but it's still not opening. So now I have to try to break the door down at a place that we rent. That's gonna be fun. And that's how you do it. That's what's all broken off now. That's what I need to get out anyways. So I didn't do as much damage as I thought I would do, which is good. But we're in.
It is, I don't know when we last talked about an update on the bird. It is officially out. I don't really remember what Ted said exactly about how he got it out. I think he said he pounded on the glass or something. Maybe he was a little bit stuck. I don't know, but he's free, so yay! That's good. I was really worried about him. I really didn't want him to be stuck. Totally thought my camera was charging. It's not. 8%. That's not gonna last very long. I do need to do housework, so I think I'm just gonna do some picking up right now. And then when they wake up, I'll have to be like full mom focused because they're all pretty needy, which is okay since they don't feel well. So for now, I'm gonna put some music on. I like to listen to worship music while I clean. Poor little guy. You want to say hi to this? Oh, he's so warm. Alright, so I think we're going to go take your temperature. So this morning we were looking everywhere for this guy, weren't we? We couldn't find him, and so I got his little straw cup. But Luke, I don't think I vlogged when we switched him off the bottle, but he was so particular with his cup. He actually went like on a no drinking streak for like 3 days, so he only relied on any like fluids from food, so that was super stressful. And then we found this cup. It's the Nubby cup. I'll link it down below in case you're having like sippy cup problems. And it was our answered prayer, and it's actually super cute because look, he drinks out of it backwards, so the spout is up on top. He's so thirsty, he's like chugging it. Yeah, we found it. Oh, you want me to take it? Thank you. So yeah, so we found this, so I'm glad now because he wasn't even drinking out of the straw cup. He's very, very picky. Oh, did you bonk your head? Oh, it's all gone. Want to take your temperature, buddy? I'll take your temperature. Oh my goodness, 102.5. I'm trying to debate if we should call the doctor or not because that's pretty high. I should probably just call and just make sure it's okay. I don't really like taking them into the doctor unless they for sure need to go. So I usually like will run whatever's going on with the nurse and see from there. You wanna put that away for Mama? Actually more like a week later now, and I almost didn't want to put this vlog up, but I thought it was too weird and funny of a day with the bird getting stuck and Ted breaking our door and then having to rush to the doctor's office for Luke that I wanted to share it. I just wanted to let you guys know that he is back to his normal self now, and he ended up having the flu and lasted for like a week, and now he's feeling better. And also my camera is broken. If you guys watched the vlog from Friday, I think that's when it went up, Ted broke it. Well, he didn't break it, he dropped it and it broke. So I'm not sure what kind of videos I'll be able to get out to you guys because of my camera, but hopefully it'll get fixed soon. And that's enough rambling, and I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you so much.
Way too long.
Hey, I'll edit it. I know it's way too long. It's already 2 minutes. I'm gonna have to fix it. My eyes are looking bad. Do you have anything to say down there? Obviously, Mr. Commenter.
Yep. It was too long.
Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll get a video out to you guys soon. Bye! I don't even need to say all this. You guys are so crooked. Ted would be like, your thing is so crooked. I don't think we're gonna add the stock down to like 98. Groovy. To have it for like, I don't even know why I'm rambling about this. Ted, help me out.